information.
The West High Robotics team is making a name for itself in the Super Bowl of Smart. Our reporter Anne-Marie Williams has the latest.
Michael Tamaki wants to pursue a career in programming and has been on the West High Robotics team for 3 years.
When I went to West High, I found out that there was no programming or engineering courses here, so the robotics club was the next best thing, and I joined.
Earlier in the year, Tamaki and the robotics team spent 6 weeks building a large robot with the capability to throw a large ball.
The game for the larger robot, it's called Aerial Assist, and it's a lot like playing basketball, but it's with the robots. This year's game, it's focused on teamwork rather than individual skill. So robots, they get more points when they pass it to other robots, and at the very end, you can shoot it into like the high goal or a low goal. The high goal is about 8 feet tall, so it's very, very incredible when a robot can do that.
This may be the West High School Robotics team first year competing in the FRC division, which includes large robots like this, but they've already achieved great success.
We thought if we could show up and the robot would work and maybe score a point, it would be great. For a rookie team to actually have a working robot and score, that would be wonderful. Never in our wildest imaginations did we think it would go this far.
It still feels unreal that we got the top trophy. Like, all of our members, they're just in shock. It's a great feeling to know that all the work we put into it it showed.
The team will now go on to compete at the first Robotics Competition Championship in St. Louis, Missouri, April 23rd through 26th.
Our motivation in going into the competition, it's going to be the same, that we just want to have fun and we want to do our best. But all of our members, we're going to step up our game because we're against the best in the world now.
And while there isn't a formal prize for winning the national title, the recognition alone is priceless.
There's no actual prize, but we do leave with the feeling of this satisfaction that we were the best in the world.
We have, for so long, they've worked and worked and toiled, and to finally get recognition for all the things that they've done has just been amazing.
This week, Tamaki and his teammates will pack up the robot and send it to St. Louis. But in the meantime, they are busy developing strategies and preparing for the competition. For Torrance City Cable, I'm Anne-Marie Williams.
Thank you, Anne-Marie. We can't wait to see how they do in St. Louis. To follow the West Torrance Robotics team on their journey to the championship, visit westtorrancerobotics.org.
Torrance high schoolers were